I just wanted to bring you up to date on a few things here at Midstate Tool and Supply, in particularly with our marketing and our catalogs. I know it has been a confusing year, 2020, with the COVID-19 outbreak and how it has interrupted business and then restarted business. So one of the things I first want to show you is our current website, on which you can view our current catalogs. It'll give me an opportunity to explain the catalogs to you as well. And then I want to let you know up front that we are embarking in a major effort to improve our web presence, and that our goal is that by November, we will have an entirely new web presence with greater searchability, much richer information and content for all of the product lines we represent. So with that in mind, I'd like to show you some changes to our current website and show you where we're at with our marketing program. Okay, here we are on our current website, midstatetool.com. And this is the site we want to make great improvements on. The web address will be the same when we are done, but there are some features that we've added to the current website to help it be more in line with our current marketing. Let me point out to you that at the very top of our home page, right below the main menu bars, you will see a facsimile of our highlights catalog located right here at the top of the page. It says click here to view our print catalog. Well, in actuality, it's print catalogs. And you'll see that we now come to a menu page that shows you two catalogs that are available currently to you. There is our 16-page highlights catalog. And the highlights now will come out mid-quarter. It's 16 pages, and it will feature new and special items. And then, as you're just receiving now here in July, we have our quarterly 128-page Highlights Plus. And the Highlights Plus is 128 pages featuring every product line that we have, and featuring the top products, the top selling products from each of those product lines. So we want to give you a much greater breadth of what we have to offer while still keeping up to date with fresh and current specials. So to show you the online interface for viewing the print catalogs, let's click on the Highlights Plus and go inside. Now, essentially, the Highlights Plus and the Highlights have the same interface, although there are some greater enhancements in the Highlights Plus that the 16-page regular highlights does not have. If you see here, there's a top menu bar that gives you access to go back to the main website, and that will allow you to go back to the main website while this page stays open. And you will be able to go back and forth as you're composing an order or planning what you want to purchase. There's an index area over here, and there's always a navigation bar right here that tells you where you are at any given time. And as you scroll down the page, you can see the full front page of the highlights. At the bottom of each page, the same interface occurs again at the bottom of the page. You can go back to the Midstate Tool website. You have the navigation bar. You have access to the index. But at the bottom of every page, there is a yellow bar that you can click on, and that will allow you to download a PDF version of the page. Now, none of these pages have pricing on them. And if you are able to use some composition program, even Microsoft Word, you can put these programs into, or pages into Word, put your own pricing on it, put a heading on it, and use these for your own marketing purposes. Or if you're using them for a research and sales tool for a customer and you go out into the field, you can have a particular product line printed. And that's easily done because if you go back up to the top or the bottom of the page and go to the index, at the index, you will see we have an alphabetical listing of every product line that's available. And if you want to jump ahead to something right now, like if you wanted to go to Z, there periodically there's an alphabetical listing, and you click on the Z and you go right to the bottom to the last thing. Now, here we go. This is Zendex. This is a very popular line with us right now. If you click on that, you'll go right to the Zendex page. All of the product lines are listed through this catalog in more or less alphabetical listing, but we've had to do some shifting around to make things fit on the page. All of our pages, as you go through, if you click on the right edge of the page, anywhere on the right edge, or if you're in an app, if you tap on the right edge, you'll go forward through the pages. If you click on the left edge or tap on the left edge, as it says right up here, it's just the edge of the page, just click and you'll go backwards through the pages. And you can see as you go through the pages that up here on the navigation bar is where you are. And at any time you can go to the index. So if you go back to the index, there are actually two approaches to the index. The first approach, of course, is alphabetical by product line. And again, you have the quick jump bar that allows you to jump from section to section within the alphabetical listing. But you'll also see another spot up here that says two category index. And this gives you an index of everything that is in the Highlights Plus by category. So they run from air conditioning all the way down through welding. And you can see there's all of the different possibilities. Now let's go to a particular product line. Let's go to gray pneumatic under hand tools. You'll see that gives you that page. Remember that you can also go to the bottom of any page and download a PDF copy of that page, which can be used to show to a customer. And you'll notice there is space in the page for pricing. So if you want to overlay your own pricing on this page, use this as a sales flyer for you, you can do that with any product line. Now, all of the features of the web page are available to you from your phone or tablet or other PC. The reason we did things the way we did using this HTML interface is that in any place you can pinch and scroll up and view a specific item on any page. And then you can pinch down to go back to the full size view. You can download the PDF to your phone right here at the bottom of the page. So you can click right there on that yellow and it'll download. Let's not do that right now. And all you need to do to go back through any page is just tap the edge of the page. You'll go right to the next page. And again, all the menu options are available to you. And if you have a hard time reading the menu options, you can scroll them up to make them bigger. And either clicking on the name will take you to the page, or clicking on the page number will take you to the page. All this is available to you from any mobile device. So what I'd like you to see is that Midstate Tool is being very proactive. We are moving forward with trying to make marketing tools that enable you in this very tough business climate to be able to communicate with your customer. We are just working every way we can to try to enhance your ability to sell products and to have a vast selection of other things to offer to your customer to enhance your profitability.